Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Honda Odyssey tail light. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and your new replacement bulb. Having a clean cloth and some gloves on hand will also make the process smoother and safer. We'll cover everything from accessing the old bulb to installing the new one, ensuring your tail light is working perfectly again. Now, let's get to the tail light assembly itself. Open your Honda Odyssey's rear hatch to reveal the two screws holding the tail light in place. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove these two screws. Once they are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the vehicle. It might feel a little snug, but a firm, steady pull should release it. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful videos. And on another note, after all that hard work, you'll want an easy meal. Make meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With the tail light assembly free, we can now replace the faulty bulb. Locate the specific bulb socket for the tail light and twist it counterclockwise to remove it from the assembly. Then, simply pull the old bulb straight out of the socket. Be careful not to touch the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands. Insert the new bulb firmly into the socket, making sure it clicks into place. Almost done. Now, let's put everything back together. Reinsert the bulb socket into the tail light assembly, twisting it clockwise until it locks securely. Carefully align the entire tail light assembly with its mounting points on the vehicle and push it firmly into place. Finally, reinsert and tighten the two Phillips head screws. Before you close up, turn on your lights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.